Work was stressful, darling. Too many messages and calls to respond to. Too many papers to sign and too many people to attend to. But sweetheart, I will never forget to tell you how much I love you and care about you. You are my sunshine and happiness. You are everything I want in a woman. Do not break my heart, darling, because I live my life without you, and though I cannot explain exactly how I feel about you. I just want you to know that you are my everything and I love you. You come into my life when I thought I did not deserve love, and you showed me what true love means. Honey, I will always protect you because you are the most precious game in the world. I never believed in soulmates, but when our words collided, I knew I did found mine and would never let her go since I met you. I have been in love with you every second of every day. I am crying right now, but it's not because I am in pain. It's because if I died right now, I would die with a smile on my face because you have made me a happy man. I did not imagine magic existed until the day you said yes to being my girlfriend. Since then, I feel like I have always been under your spell. I know now that I am destined to love you with a fiery passion. My course is that I am bound to you forever, but it's a blessing because I could never purposely live a life without you. And yes, I think about you right now. I have tears flowing down my cheeks. Do not worry, I am not sad or upset about anything. I am just love stricken before I meet you, I thought I was doomed to live a lonely